So if you already have the app, if you already have the boot in your phone, this is what you just simply do. We are going to be learning today how to create a link poster on Telegram. How do you create a poster with links on Telegram? Okola otya poster erina links ku Telegram ng'eriko links. So kyokola just ojja wano osearchinga, ogenda ku Telegram yo n'osearchinga for a boot, n'osearchinga boot yiino eyange. So this how do you create this kind of poster? Ocreating otya poster eno bweti ng'eriko zino zi add buttons zonna. How do you create a poster on YouTube with add buttons? So you come just to your boot. If you've already created the boot, you have to now to create the boot with Nashra boot. At Nashra boot, it will, if you go to at Nashra boot, it will help you create this boot. So you come here, they will simply tell you, if you're using this WhatsApp, you'll say create other posters. Or if you have the boot, it will tell you things like let me first show you something. It will show you something like this. If you're using it will show create post. The moment you start the boot, it will show you create poster, edit post, create post, edit post, how to use create your own boot. So what you do is simple. You just create a post. You click on create a post. So we are going to be creating a post. Kyokola kyangu nnyo. Oba omaze okugulawo boot, just gwe ejja kulaga bino ebintu: create post, edit post. Kyokola gwe clickinga create post ogende ku kiddako. So bwetyo bw'ejja okulaga, what we are going to do is so let's create another post. Let's create another post. So like this. So let's create another post. You click on create another post. I've clicked twice. I had to click once, but it's okay. We are going to create a post of bodyguard. So you put your post up. Yeah, now there are these plus signs. You'll see below down the poster there is a plus sign. Once wa poster waliwo kano ka plus sign. Ka plus sign ako ka clickingamu. So when you click the plus sign, what happens? It says here below, please send a text for button. Okitegedde? Kati wejja kuleetera kino please send text. Kati gwe otypingamu ekigambo ky'oyagala kirabike. Ky'oyagala oba VJ Junior oba what. Kati nze njagala just to right click to watch and join. Kitegedde? So ng'okisendinga. When you send the word, after you send the word, it will say please send the URL for the button. So oteekamu kati eno video, this video here is what we want to link. And this is the video we want. When someone clicks on please click to watch and enter them the text I've just inserted in, it will take them straight to this video. So what we do is we are going to go and get the link of this video, of where this video is, the link. So where is the link? Let's see where is the link. On Opinion TV. Where is the link? Okay, let me see. We look for the link. Here. Look for the link. Okay. So here is the video. So this is the link. We copy link. You just come here, you just come and paste it here. You paste it there exactly. So when someone clicks, omuntu wa clickinga kano, kati wa clickinga wano nti click to watch and join, egenda straight emutwala video weri ku channel video jeri. Then kuchaliko bu plus buttons obulala, there are still more plus buttons. When you click now this word here, click to watch and join, it will take you straight to the video. So now there are more plus buttons. So what you do, you can add anything you want. Let me see what you are going to add. Okay, let's click wano osobola okwongerako ku buno plus button, osobola okwongerako links zonna zoyagala. Kati wano you get your word and say subscribe to our YouTube. You send this, then you look for the YouTube link you want them to subscribe to. When someone clicks this word, where it will take them. So you go and look for the YouTube link, which is this one. Yeah, mine is this one. So you copy the link, you come here and paste the link, send the link. I think you can see that the word has added itself. Those also love and ekigambo kyeyongeddeko. So after you can add anything. So we are going to add also follow on TikTok. Follow on TikTok. So follow on TikTok. So we look for the TikTok link. Where is the TikTok link? The TikTok link. Oh, okay. TikTok. Look for the link. It's here. You copy the link. Come here. Paste the link. We add. Okay. We add. The network is a bit slow, so we add follow us on Instagram. Okay, Dailymotion. So you send this, you go and look for your Dailymotion. It is here. Copy, come and paste. Oza mukitegeera ekigenda mu maaso. You just omala onyiga kano ka plus button bwoti. Wano wansi wajjawo text typing amu ekigambo ky'oyagala, oba VJ Junior oba kiki, okitegeera kyebagenda okirikingako wali. So omala n'otypingamu ky'oyagala. Follow, gamba nti follow us on Instagram. Send. Then n'ogenda n'onoonya link ya Instagram. Omugikoppa. Omala ogikoppa ogireeta n'ogipestinga wano link ya Instagram yo. Ogipestingawo wali eyingirawo buyingizi. So oli wakirikingako emutwala butwazi ku page ye ya Instagram. Then wano osobola okwongerako byonna by'oyagala. Ti follow us on Twitter. Then you look for the Twitter link, which is this one. Then you go, nojja n'ogipestinga wano. Mala ogikoppa eri. Then nojja n'ogamba oti join. our English channel. In English channel, then you come and look for the English channel. Opinion TV English nojja n'okopa link. Come and look for the link. You copy the link, post the link, and you say join Opinion Music. Then you come here, look for Opinion Music. Copy link, paste link. You see how many buttons I've created. Then we can add join animations channel. In animations, you come here, look for animations. Then you put animations. Then what do you want to add? Join translated group. Say join translated group. Then you go and look for the group. Opinion TV, it is here, called Opinion TV 1. Look for the link. Post the link. Then for now I can say you're done. So when you're done, after you've done, you may want to only add one button or add one thing, I don't know. But when you're done, you come down here, there is a button. Bw'oba omaze addinga links zonna z'oyagala, kuteekako ebigambo byonna by'oyagala, buttons zonna z'oyagala. After you're done adding all the buttons you want, you come down here, there's a word done, tick. There is preview, get buttons, edit content, cancel. Then there is done. You press done. Onyiga ku done wano wansi ndowooza ekigambo mukiraba. In your bottom right corner waliwo ekigambo done, kyokka ndowooza wano kye kiriko ka tick. You click on this word done. So when you click done, what happens? It will bring you like you see your boot. It will bring you the name of your boot, like you see Opinion TV boot 285. So it will bring you your name of your boot and the number and the number and the number, any number. So if I want to, you can simply just forward this to your channel. You can just press here and you forward it, you understand, to your channel. Or you can just go to your channel, like you come here at Opinion TV. you go to Opinion TV here, then you say at Opinion TV boot boot 285. The internet is very slow, you understand? But if you've created a bot and you've added it to your channel, so when you just say at, the name of the bot will come, which take it at maybe Opinion TV bot, then you just add the number to it, the number of the poster they gave you the other side to it, then you do. But for me, what I normally do to avoid all that again going up and down, what I do is very simple. I just forward the whole poster. I forward it to your channel. You can forward it to the channels you want, you can just forward it. Just go there and forward it. So when you forward it, this is what will happen. This is now inside the Opinion TV channel. So forward it from Opinion board. So when someone says, let me click to watch and join, omuntu agamba nti womala forwardinga mu channel yo weti wegenda okulabika. So oli wagamba nti kan clickinge okuwachinga then okujoininga, aja clickinga wano ku click to watch and join okulaba film, wa clickinga ko eulaba ndozo olaba emutwala straight film weri. Then waba clickinze ku subscribe to YouTube, ndozo olaba. But when you press here open, it will take you straight to YouTube. Or clicking ake ja kutwala straight ku YouTube channel. Kutwala straight ku YouTube channel. Oba osobola okusubscribinga. Kitegeera oba osobola okusubscribinga lwakuba temukyayagala kumpagira, I don't know why. So bwetyo, that is how it works. That's how it works. Same with Instagram or Twitter or what. When you click anything you added, when you click, it takes you straight there because you put the link. Otherwise, I think let me hope this video has been very, very helpful. Love you guys. Peace.